This website is #1 paying chat website. This website pays 0.20 to 22 euros per message you send. In this website, all you do is chat, okay? Contribute, chat, and you get paid on each comment you make, on each chat you make. You will get paid. The name of this website is, go to your browser, type in www. Bang, bang, bang. My darling, watch this video till the end. You will be amazed because you will start making money with this website just by replying chats. Just chats and start making money ASAP, worldwide, wherever you are in the world, any country, wherever, in Africa, in Nigeria, in Ghana, Togo, any part of Africa, any part of America, anywhere you are in the world, this job is global. Okay? They will pay you for chatting. If today is your first time of coming to my channel, my name is Angela. Please subscribe to this channel. Tap on the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, YouTube will notify you, because what I teach in this, how to make money online. So subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up. All right, let's dive right into it. Let me show you how you are going to sign up and start making money while you chat, while you do those things you like doing for free. You will do it for money. Make money chatting. Okay? You don't have to chat for free. You don't have to chat for fun. Chat for money. Make money while chatting for fun. Let's go right there. Let me show you guys how to sign up. Go to your browser, type in chatwriter.com. Yes guys, this is how Chatwriter's website looks like. The link will be below this video, or you go to your browser and type in chatwriters.com. The website will look like this. It says, become a chat writer today, work from home. Chatwriters.com offers you the choice to earn money while working from home. Join our worldwide team of freelancer chat operators today. We pay up to 0.20 euros per message. Per message you send, Chatwriter will pay you 0.20 euros per message. Calculate how many messages you are going to send in an hour, in a day. You know how much they are going to pay you. Fill out the form below to start your job application to be a chat operator. We only need your name and email to start the application process. You do not need to send your resume. Okay? Start application. Confirm. Check. ID check. That's the only thing they need. They need your name, your email address. Then another thing they need from you is your confirmation of ID. Confirm your identity. You have to be at least 18 years old to be accepted to receive salary payment. Your coach will help you get started with the ID verification. It's just for you to, when signing up, once you put your name, your email address, they will ask you to verify. All you need for this verification is your identity card, whether national ID card, international passport. All they want is where they will see your date of birth to make sure you are 18 years and above. That is the only requirement. And why they need this 18 years and above is because, chatting, some people can bring matured issues. Okay, they can bring adult issues. You cannot be discussing adult issues with someone that is less than 18 years of age. The person will not understand, and you might expose the person to things that he need not to know at his or her age. So that's identity verification is important. You can complete your training once you have met your coach and your ID has been verified. It only takes approximately 120 minutes. Okay, that is 2 hours, and you will be ready to start working. They do training too. Ready to work and earn. As a chat writer, you will anonymously answer 50 text messages. Earn for every message you send. Have salary paid out weekly. Complete a 2 hours course before starting. You need to prove you are at least 18 years of age. That is all you need. To join them today, enter your first name, your last name, your email address, and your language. Click on accept the privacy and accept I am at least 18 years of age, and you sign up. All right, the next thing is they will get back to you within 24 hours, and they will send you a message in your email. They will email you for you to start work immediately. All right, so the benefits, what you are going to benefit from chat writers is: number one, work from your home. The comfort of, you can lie down on your bed, you can sit on your couch and work. Okay, salary payout weekly. This website pays weekly. Work whenever you want. You can decide to do this work midnight, maybe when you are back from work or when you are relaxing. You can work anytime you choose, from where you want. Any part of the world, wherever you are, you can work from there. 24 hours a day open platform. You can work anytime, any minute, any hour you want. And up to 0.20 euros per message you sent. This website is a very good website. It's the best website you can work with as a chat operator, chat writer. Okay, sign up with them and start work. Tell me what you think in the comment section, what you think about this website. Okay, tell me what you think about them. I will reply. Ask me any question any suggestion. I am open to answer your questions and your queries. I watch other of my videos on how to make money online and start doing something for yourself. I have plenty of videos on how to make money online, even with affiliate marketing. Anyone you are interested in, chat me, tell me the one you are interested in. Let me make more videos about them.